Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports, and I am Jermaine Brown. Netherlands and Senegal booked their spots in the round of 16 at the FIFA World Cup in Qatar after victories over hosts Qatar and Ecuador, respectively, a short while ago. Netherlands blanked Qatar 2-0 with goals from Cody Gakpo in the 26th minute and Frankie de Jong in the 49th to top the group with 7 points. African champions Senegal secured their spot in the round of 16 for only the second time in their history with a 2-1 win over Ecuador. Ismail Assar gave Senegal the lead in the 44th minute from the penalty spot before captain Kalidou Koulibaly gave them the go-ahead goal in the 70th minute. Mozi Caicedo had equalized for Ecuador in the 68th minute. Meanwhile, it's still all to play for in Group B, with Wales to battle England and the USA facing off against Iran starting at 2 p.m. England leads the group with 4 points, one more than Iran, while the USA are third with 2 points and Wales on a solitary point. Reggae boy Leon Bailey says that the decision for him to initially stay out of the national team was his and no one else. In 2017-2018, debates had raged as to whether he would ever don the national colours as a reggae boy. And Bailey sought to clear the air on the YouTube channel Let's Be Honest recently.
A lot of people don't know, say, from me about 8 or 9, I get 5 from the Jamaica Federation.
I get what?
Fight.
Oh, fight, okay.
From people who are the top man them in the Federation. And them that people, up until this day today, were in the Federation, can't look in my eye.
Bailey also dismissed earlier talks that he and his adopted father, Craig Butler, wanted to run Jamaican football back then.
Even if we reach a level of Cristiano Ronaldo, you see with them people who are in the Federation, you will never have control. It was never about control for me. Jamaica system is too corrupt. Me just want our country to move forward as a nation.
And by the way, the two-test series between the West Indies and Australia begins tonight at 9 Caribbean time. That's the West Indies versus Australia in Perth. And that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.